guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about Dettol. What is Dettol? We will be talking about why we should keep Dettol in our house and what are the uses of Dettol and how we should use it. So without wasting time, let's get started with our video. So this is another version of Dettol Disinfectant Liquid Lime Fresh with B100% Sure plus multi-purpose liquid for personal and home hygiene. So guys, this Dettol can be used for everything. It's a multi-purpose use liquid. So now let's talk about how to use Dettols. So first of all, this can be used for your personal hygiene. Use this on your infected areas whenever you get any minor cuts or burns. Use this liquid while bathing to prevent yourself from various skin infections. As this is a new form of Dettol, you won't feel any pungentness while applying it. You can either apply directly or mix it with water. It will be more good, but it won't make your skin feel pungent at all. So you can use this for many other reasons as well. Even when insect bites you, that time also you can apply this Dettol. Now let's talk about its packaging. As you can see here, this one comes in a green color, but they also have other colors as well, like blue and brown. But personally, I like the green version of it. It feels very fresh and cool if you use it. The fragrance is also good. I really liked it. And then here they have added ingredients called benzyl conium chloride, which is a disinfectant ingredient. They have used this specially to kill the germs. So whenever you use this Dettol, they can kill out all the germs present on your body or your clothes and water inside. So friends, this bottle contains 200 ml quantity, in which the MRP given here is 98 rupees. But guys, I got this for 10% off. So it's quite affordable according to the price, I think. So before using this, you can check out how to use it rightly. First given is for bathing. Hygienically clean water for bathing. Take 2 cups full of Dettol liquid to a large bucket of 10 liter water inside. Second tip is for saving purposes. Hygienically clean water for saving. Take 1 cupful of to a liter of water. Third is for laundry disinfection. Take 1 cupful of Dettol to a liter of water in the last rinse. Fourth is for floor cleaning purposes. Take 1 cupful of Dettol to 1 liter of water. Fifth is for cleaning refrigerator. Take 1 cup of Dettol to a liter of water again. So this can be used in everything as a disinfectant, because nowadays it's very important to keep yourself and your families safe from germs and viruses. Also, do remember to keep this out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. In case it enters your eye, wash it with water immediately. And in case if swallowed, seek immediate medical advice. So friends, that's it all about. You can find this easily anywhere in the local shops or stores, or you can buy them from Amazon. I will link them in the description box. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends. Till then, take care. Bye.